in a rare departure from Jamaica's parliamentary tradition. Backbencher and former Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marley Malahoo Fort on Tuesday cut through one of the most consequential pieces of legislation tabled by the government in recent times and told members of the executive bluntly, go back and rework the bill. Members of the opposition rose to their feet, banging desks in support of the former minister who exposed flaws in the proposed law and parted company with colleagues on the government benches in relation to some critical provisions in the bill. The Gleaner goes on to report the House was debating the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARA Act 2026, which, among other things, seeks to establish the NARA for the efficient, coordinated, and transparent management of time-bound reconstruction and resilience efforts to focus on building back better post-Hurricane Melissa to withstand future climatic and other weather events.